It looks like we might have to move over just
Yeah,
a bit.
for sure.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, we're moving over.
It's okay, I got you, Betty. Maybe move back so you can move in. Look! Yeah. Look at that, the fireworks! Those are the big booms! Different than the booms we hear in the morning, hey? Whoa. Whoa, you got there's green! Oh! Purple.
Hey, do you see this?
Oh, you gotta wait for it. Whoa. No, I haven't seen the pink one yet. It's coming, you gotta wait. Are they pretty, Betty? Whoa. Yeah? That's so pretty. You gotta wait, Betty. It's gonna. There's lots of them, lots and lots. They're gonna save it to the end, I bet, because it's the best one. Whoa, there's a pink. See, there's pink in the middle of that one.
Whoa, what's that?
Whoa. Look at that, Betty.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah, I feel coming.
It is really cool looking from this angle.
Coming.
One's in the sky.
Coming.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a pink one.
I found one, pink one.
Oh, look at all that.
Whoa, look at all that.
Do they look like a
Look
cloud?
at those. No, they're not coming. No, that's as far as they go. See, they don't touch us. That's as far as they go. They're super far away. We just get to look with our eyes.
And your ears.
Yeah. No, they're not coming. You just see it way over there. No, it won't hurt you, baby girl. I promise. Mommy promises. I thank you. Oh. Want me to pick you up?
Wow.
Is that better? No, it's not coming. No, it's not coming. No. Yes, you can just see it. That's right. Well, they go poof. They vanish. No, it's not coming. It's not coming. No. Oh, it's so pretty. No, it's not. No, that's as far as it goes. It falls in the water. No, it's not. Well, that's a pretty one. Yeah. Yeah. It did. Yeah. Boom. Boom. There's a pink one. No, it's not coming. Oh. And there's going to be lots all at once. Wait for it. Look at those. No, it's not coming yet. Wait there. No. They just want us to
I
see.
can't even see them.
What? Fireworks today because it's Canada's birthday. That's Canada's birthday.
Oh, wow. That looks like a flower.
It does. Cool, a rose.
Yeah, it looks really good.
It is big. Yeah.
We're gonna get up there where we can see. Perfect.
Boom.
What can one do?
They went in the water. After they go boom, they go fall in the water. They fall in the water. See? They fall in the water.
Oh, that water?
Oh, that water way, way, way over there. There's Pink.
That's Deadpool.
Yeah, Pink is.
There's fire.
Yeah. You can see them from very far away. I bet you can see them in the States.
Way up there, yeah. Well, there's more.
Yeah, it's raining.
And then it falls in the water.
Raining with them. What's mine with those? That water? I don't.
That's cool looking.
That water way over there.
That's really cool looking.
Yeah. Yay!
There you go. Pretty waterfall now, for sure.
Oh, look, Daddy, look. Sparkles. Say happy birthday, Canada. Yeah?
Where's the flag? It's gonna, yeah, you can tell it's coming right now.
Like something's on fire over there.
It does, doesn't it?
I know, it looks like it's on fire now.
Or it's like the police lights against the smoke.
Yeah, maybe.
Is that it?
What's that?
I get out.
There's all that smoke. Uh-oh.
Big finale coming up.
There we go.
Keep
You ready for
looking,
that?
Betty. Here
It's
comes
the money shot.
the finale means the end. Here comes the big end. They're gonna do her up. Do really good. It's gonna be really loud.
Kaboom.
You ready? That's pretty cool. Are you ready? Are you steady? Are you
It
sure
is
you're
really
ready?
fire.
Well, let's finish watching first, and then you can go in the buggy. And then you know what you get to go do.
Yeah, it's gonna be the finale. It's called. It's the end of
She's
the
been
show
asking
where
to
they
go to
go,
bed since 7 o'clock.
they go crazy.
Yeah.
Wait!
What are you doing?
There we go.
No, look.
Are you ready?
Look, Betty, look.
Wanna do this guy?
You want to stand?
Dive!
Yeah, they are stars. They're shooting stars.
No.
No, we're not going to walk around. Okay. You want to get back in the buggy? Oh, no, sweetie. We don't need to hold on to your blanket, okay? Oh, look, Betty. Can you see it? No, it's not coming. Not coming. Yay, Canada. I got it.
fun. Was that fun?
Nifty.
I can't do it again.
Why?
Because I do it once a year, unfortunately.
We stay here for now.
Well, wait a minute. And then we'll make our way home again.
Who works